How to call someone on Messenger on computer. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can call someone on Messenger on your computer. For that, make sure you have downloaded Messenger application on your computer. Now open this Messenger application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface. Here select any one of the chat you wished from the message list. And once you enter the chat page of the particular person, here at the top right, you will find two different icons. Over your cursor over there, and there you will find the options audio call and video call. Choose what you want. If you want to audio call this person, click on this phone icon right here. As you can see, you have audio called the person. You can also click on this video icon right here to open the video. Or else if you want to video call this person, you can click on this video icon next to this call icon and start the video call with the person. So in this way, you can call someone on Messenger on computer. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.